You have so many lymphs all over your body. A lot of them are in your armpits and in your groin, and they help filter the lymphatic system. It collects fluid through the body and returns it through the circulatory system using the veins. Lymphocytes, aka another form of white blood cells, are created to destroy invading microorganisms, and it protects the immune system. The lymphatic system, or the immune system, whatever resonates with you. The lymphs are what control your immunity, which is awesome. The lymphatic system collects fluid and returns it to the circulatory system through veins. It is made up of lymphocytes, which are white blood cells that help destroy invading microorganisms to protect the immune system. So the lymphatic system works hand in hand with the circulatory system. The anatomical features of the lymphatic system include the lymphs, capillaries, vessels, and nodes. The nodes are formed with white blood cells. The thymus and the spleen are the organs that are a part of the lymphatic system. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissue, and organs that can help the body fight infections and diseases. It's insane. It's insane. Okay. So the immune system includes bones, marrow, thymus, spleen, tonsils, lymph nodes, lymph vessels, mucous membrane, and the skin. So all of those together work to protect the body from infection.